Number 7. So given three vertices of a triangle whose coordinates are 1, 1, point B naman negative 3, 3, 3, negative 3, and then yung third point is 5, negative 3. So find the area of the triangle. Siguro, i-plot na lang natin para masasanay tayo na nagpa-plot sa analytic geometry. Kasi gagamitin natin yung plotting of points na to pagdating ng integral, pagdating ng calculus. So, our point A is 1, 1. So, 1 yung x, 1 yung y. Our point B is 3, negative 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. And then, our point B is 5. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And negative 3 din siya. So, this will be our triangle. Ito ang 1, 1. Ito ang 3, negative 3, and 5, negative 3. So solving for the area of the triangle, we can use two methods para sa area ng triangle. Una, by determinant method. So kailangan, kung meron tayong determinant, dapat meron tayong matrix. And ang matrix, sabihin natin matrix A, kasi di ba kaya na natin yan sa calculator. The matrix A must be 3 by 3 na kung so ay binubuo ng x sub 1, y sub 1, and then 1. Second row is x sub 2, y sub 2, and 1. And then yung third row naman is x sub 3, y sub 3, and then 1. So solving for the area, that will be the 1/2 of the determinants of the determinant and the matrix A. So, saan as denote is 1, 2, and 3. Kasi sa polygon, mahalaga na yung mga 1, 2, 3 natin, sila yung magkakasunod na points sa ating polygon. Pero since triangle lang naman yung ating polygon, so kahit alin na dyan, diba? Kung unahin natin, magkakasunod pa din sila. Pero kapag naging, ano na yan, kapag nag-quadrilateral, pentagon, hexagon. So, dapat i-graph natin para alam natin kung sino-sino mga points yung magkakatabi. So, our x1 is 1, then y1 is 1, copy the 1. X sub 2 is 3, y sub 2, negative 3, and then copy yung 1. X sub 3 is 5, and y sub 3 is negative 3 also, and copy yung 1. So, the area is the 1/2 of the determinant in matrix A, and that will be, so paano natin i-save si matrix A? That will be mode number 6 para sa matrix. So i-save natin si matrix A, kaya number 1, and ang matrix A natin ay mayroong 3 rows and 3 columns, and that is number 1. So papayin lang natin yung matrix 1, 1, 1. The second row, 3, negative 3, and 1. Samantalang yung third row naman ay 5, negative 3, and then 1. So AC, palabasin natin yung formula na 1/2 or 0.5, determinant of matrix A. So shift number 4 para kay matrix, and mababasa nyo doon yung coordinate, and that is, ayun yung ginagamit natin when we are looking, when we are finding the determinant. So number 7, and si matrix A ang hahanapan ng determinant, kaya shift 4 ulit. Labasin naman natin si matrix A. So number 3 equals na natin. So the answer is 4 square units. Meron ulit tayong second solution by coordinates method. Itong coordinates method na to, coordinates method, pwede natin pong gamitin kapag ang polygon ay naging quadrilateral, pentagon, hexagon, heptagon, or kung ilan man yung side. Yung determinant method kasi, gagamit lang natin siya kay triangle. So, kukunin pa rin naman natin yung determinant. So, that will be 1, the area will be the 1/2 of determinant pa din. Pero, paano na magiging ating matrix? So, dapat magkakatabing points yan. So, x sub 1, y sub 1 sa baba, x sub 2, y sub 2 sa baba, x sub 3, y sub 3 sa baba, kung ilang points man yung aabutin ng ating polygon. So, kung pentagon yung polygon, hanggang x sub 5, y sub 5 tayo. Sabi natin x sub n, y sub n, and huwag kakalimutan na babalik kay x sub 1 and y sub 1. So, para sa ating triangle, that will be the 1/2 of the determinant nung x sub 1, y sub 1, x sub 2, y sub 2, x sub 3, y sub 3, babalik kay x sub 1, y sub 1. So, dahil triangle ang ating polygon. So, 1/2 of the determinant ni the x sub 1, y sub 1 is 1, 1. The point number 2 para sa ating sub 2 is 3, negative 3. And the point number 3 is 5, negative 3. And the point number 1, babalik tayo kay 1, 1. So, paano na ba natin ginagawa ang determinant? So, that is the difference of the summation downward multiplication. So, nasaan ba yun? Unahin natin yung downward multiplication. 1 times negative 3, 3 times negative 3, and 5 times 1. So, 1 times negative 3, that is negative 3. 3 times negative 3, that is negative 9. And then 5 times 1, that is positive 5. I-minus daw natin yung magiging sum ng upward multiplication. So, ito naman yung mga upward. 1 times negative 3, negative 3 times 5, and negative 3 times 1. So, 1 times 3 is positive 3, negative 3 times 5 is negative 15, and negative 3 times 1 is negative 3. So, ito na yung pipindutin natin sa calculator, and dapat positive 4 or negative 4 ang lalabas. Kukunin lang naman natin yung absolute value. So, the 1/2 of negative 3 minus 9 plus 5 minus 3 minus 15 minus 3. So, 4 dito. 4 din ang nilabas ng ating coordinate method. Siyempre, kapag hindi 4 ang nilabas, kailangan natin i-check yung solution. Tama. Number 8. In a Cartesian coordinate, the coordinates of a square is 1, 1, 0, 8, 4, 5, and negative 3, 4. So, what is the area? So, dahil ang points natin, dahil ang polygon natin ay mayroong 4 corners, and sinabi naman dyan na square. So, hindi na natin magagamit yung determinant method sa matrix. Gagamitin na natin yung coordinate method. And one important thing na dapat ginagawa natin kapag ginagamit ang coordinate method is to plot the points para alam natin kung sino yung magkakatabi sa kanila. So, the point number 1 is 1, 1. So, ito yun, 1, 1. The point number 2, the point number 2 is 0. 0 yung 0 yung x, 8 yung y. So, let us assume na ito, 0, 8. And then the third point, 4 ang x, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 5 y, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Ito, assume natin, ayan, 4 and 5. Lastly, the last point is negative 3 yung x, 1, 2, 3, and then akyat taas yung y, akyat 4, 5. So, negative 3 and 4. So, if we will going to connect, our polygon, ito ang square. So, ayan yung square natin. So, by determinant method, the area will be 1/2 of the determinant ng x sub 1, y sub 1, x sub 2, y sub 2, x sub 3, y sub 3. Meron pa tayong x sub 4, y sub 4. Babalik kay x sub 1, y sub 1. So, umabot tayo kay sub 4 dahil apat yung corners. So, pwede naman kayong mamili kung sino ang gusto nyong maging sub 1. So, let's say na ito, yung gagawin nating point number 1. And kayo din naman bahala papunta dito kung counterclockwise or clockwise. So, ang kaibahan ng is magiging positive or negative ang ating answer. So, clockwise na lang yung piliin ko. So, dahil si 0.45 ang aking point number 1, so dapat yung point number 2 is yung susunod sa kanya, which is 1, 1. So, yung point 1 is 4, 5. Point 2 is 1, 1. Point 3 is negative 3, 4. And then point 4 is 0, 8. Babalik tayo kay 4, 5, which is the point. So, magkakamali kasi tayo kapag nagbaliktad. Kapag hindi sunod-sunod yung point na nilagay natin. So, let us now solve for the area. So, that is the 1/2 of, unahin natin yung sum ng mga pababa. And that is 4 times 1, 1 times 4, negative 3 times 8, and 0 times 5. So, 4 times 1 is 4, plus 1 times 4, so 4, plus negative 3 times 8, that is negative 24, plus 0 times 5, 0. Ma-minus natin yung sum ng mga paakyat. 5 times 1, 1 negative 3, 4, 0, and then 8, 4. So, 5 times 1 is 5, plus 1 times negative 3, that is negative 3, plus 4 times 0, which is 0, and 8 times 4 is positive 32. So, this will be the area of the square. 1/2 of 0.5 of 4 plus 4 minus 24 plus 0 minus 5 minus 3 plus 0 plus 32. So, the answer is negative 25. And the answer is 25 units. Letter A. So, clockwise yung ginamit ko, nag-negative ang answer. So, meaning, mas magandang gamitin natin yung counterclockwise. So, yung point 1 natin is 4, 5. Point number 2 is 0, 8. Point number 3 is negative 3, 4. And then point number 4 is 1, 1. Palapit sa B. Number 9. Find the distance from the line 4x minus 3y plus 5 is equal to 0 to the point 2, 1. So, kung yung problem number 1 and 2 natin, ang kinuha nating distance is the distance between 2 points. Ang hinahanap naman natin kay problem number 9 is the distance between a line and a point. So, para makuha natin yan, dapat alam muna natin na ang isang line ay mayroong general equation na ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. And then, yung point naman natin ay mayroong coordinate form na x, y. Kasi, ang formula natin para sa distance between a line and a point is equal to the coefficient a times the x coordinate plus the coefficient b times the y coordinate plus yung constant term, coefficient c, divided by the square root of the coefficient a squared plus b squared. O kailangan lang natin malaman kay line kung sino si A, sino si B, and then sino si C. And then sa point naman kung sino si X and Y. So from the given, 4x minus 3y plus 5 is equal to 0. So, malinaw dyan that this is our coefficient A, yung 4. Ito. Yung B naman is negative 3 o 4, negative 3. And then yung C naman is the constant term 5. And also, given din naman yung 2, 1 na point. And that, ayan naman yung x-coordinate and y-coordinate. So let us now solve for the distance dahil given naman ang lahat. Yung value ng A is 4, the value of x is 2. Ito yun. Minus or plus, okay, plus na lang. The value of B is negative 3 and the value of y is 1. And the value of C is 5. Divided by the square root of A square, that will be 4 raised to 2, plus B square, and that is negative 3 raised to 2 sa loob ng square. So, take note ulit natin na kailangan naka-equal to 0 muna ang ating line bago natin gamitin yung ABC, bago natin kunin yung values ni ABC. So, dapat naka-equal to 0. Huwag kakalimutan. So, ito ang magiging distance, 4 times 2 plus the quantity, negative 3 times 1 plus 5 divided by the square root of 4 square plus negative 3 square. And that is 2 units. Letter B. Problem number 10. Find the distance between the lines x, 3x plus y minus 12 is equal to 0 and 3x plus y minus 4 is equal to 0. So dito naman, we are looking for the distance between two lines. So ganun pa din para sa line, dapat alam natin ang standard equation or yung general equation na ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. And the distance will be the absolute value of C1 minus C2 divided by the square root of A squared plus B squared. So, bakit si C lang ang merong sub 1 and sub 2? Kasi makakakuha lang tayo ng distance between two lines kapag parehas ang coefficient ni x and parehas ang coefficient ni y. And that is what we call parallel lines. Kaya yung A and B ng dalawang lines ay parehas. Ang nagkakaiba lang sa kanila ay yung constant term. So kaya para sa line number 1, ang line natin is 3x plus y minus 12 is equal to 0. And then the line number 2 is 3x plus y minus 4 is equal to 0. Malalaman natin dyan that the A is 3. Yung coefficient ng x nila parehas na 3. Yung coefficient B naman nila is parehas na 1. Samantalang kay line number 1, C niya is negative 12. And then kay line number 2 naman, yung C niya is negative 4. So substituting dyan, yung C1 is negative 12, the C2 is negative 4, so that is minus negative 4 divided by the square root of 3 square plus 1 square sa loob ng absolute value. Let us check. So absolute, sa loob niyan is merong fraction, negative 12 minus negative 4 divided by square root of 3 square plus 1 square. And that is 4 square root of 10 over 5. 4 square root of 10 over 5. Or, tingnan natin sino kay letter A, B, and C, D ang maglalabas niyan. Kasi, ang nilalabas ni calculator ay yung mga answer na wala ng square root sa denominator. And that is what we call rationalization. So, hindi si letter A. Si letter B naman is 12 over square root of 10. So, hindi din. Si letter C naman ay 4 over square root of 10. So, hindi din. And lastly, dapat si letter D, mapalabas natin yung 4 square root of 10 over 5. So, from 8 over square root of 10, that is equal to 4 square root of 10 over 5. So, that is 8 over square root of 10, which is letter D. Let us proceed. Number 11. Find the new coordinates of the point P, 3, negative 5, if the origin is moved to 2, 4 by a translation. So ito, ang topic natin dito is the translation of axis. Translation of axis. So dahil ang origin natin, dito origin is from 0, 0, so nandiyan yung ating x and y axis, minove daw siya dito, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. So napunta na dito ang ating x and y axis. And ano daw yung magiging value ni 0.35. So wag na nating i-drawing. So kabisaduhin na lang natin ito. So meron tayong mga points dito. The point x and y, this is the original point. And kapag ang axis natin ay nag-translate na, magkakaroon na tayo ng p prime. Kung yung dating x and y point natin ay magiging x prime, y prime. So this, let us denote this or pangalanan natin siya as translated point. Translated point. And meron tayong bagong value dito para sa ating origin na h and k. And this is the new origin. So meron tayong formula. X is equal to x prime plus h and y is equal to y prime plus k. So kailangan lang natin malaman si given kung sino si x prime, sino si h, sino si x, sino si y, sino si y prime, and sino si k. So dahil find the new coordinates ang pinapahanap sa atin, ano daw ang magiging translated point? So unknown sa atin si x prime and yung y prime. Diba? Kung ang original point natin, if x, the original point is 3, so from the original point, ito, and yung y naman is 5, and yung origin daw ay mapupunta kay 2, 4. So yung h natin is the 2, and then yung k naman is 4. So solving for x prime and y prime, madali na lang yan. Kasi meron tayong formula na x is equal to x prime plus h. Therefore, yung x prime natin is x minus h kung ililipat natin. Ganun din naman dito. The y prime will be y minus k. So, lagay na lang natin dito. The x prime will be x minus h and that is 3 minus 2. Samantalang yung y prime naman is y minus k and that is 5 minus 4. This is equal to 1 and also ang ating y prime is equal to 1. Our point will be 1 and 1. Letter A. Minus 4 is equal to 0 shall have no first degree term. So ano-ano ang sinasabi sa problem? Unang-una, ang pinapahanap sa atin is the point to which the origin must be translated. Saan doon natin ililipat yung origin? So dahil ang origin ang mababa, pinapahanap sa atin what is the new origin? And that is HK. So si H and K naman ang hahanapin natin. Pero sa Abidjan, ang equation must have no first degree term. So ano ba ang ibig sabihin ng first degree? Or ano ang ibig sabihin ng degree? Degree is equal to the sum of exponents of variable. So for example, lagyan na lang natin yung term and degree. So for example, our term is x, x squared, xy, y, ito na lang. So kung ang term natin ay x, ang exponent niyan ay 1. So the degree is 1. Kung ang term natin ay x squared, ang exponent niyan ay 2, the degree is 2. Pero kung ang term natin ay xy, na kung saan si x ay may exponent na 1, si y naman ay may exponent na 1, the degree is also 2, 1 plus 1. Dito naman, y, may exponent na 1, the degree is 1. So, dapat, ang sabi diyan, shall have no first degree term. So, kailangan ma-cancel natin kapag meron tayong makikitang single variable x o kaya single variable y sa ating equation. So, dapat wala ito. Okay? So, tingnan muna natin. Itabi natin itong example na yan. So, the given equation xy minus 2x minus 4y minus 4 is equal to 0. Siyempre, ito yung original equation. Kapag translate na natin yan sa bagong origin, magkakaroon na din ng bagong x and y. Kapag nagkaroon tayo ng bagong origin, kasabay nun ay yung pagkakaroon ng x prime and y prime. And di ba, from problem number 11, the old x is equal to the x prime plus h, and yung old y naman natin, that is equal to the y prime plus k. So, i-substitute natin ito sa ating original equation. Yung x natin will become x prime plus h times yung y natin magiging y prime plus k minus 2. Yung x ay x prime plus h minus 4. The y is y prime plus k minus 4 is equal to 0. So, gawin lang natin yung multiplication. So, dito, the FOIL method. So, i-multiply natin yung mga first. So, that will be x prime, y prime. I-multiply natin yung mga outer. So, ito yung mga first, yung dalawang unahan. And then, yung dalawang nasa labas, yung outer. That will be x prime k. Dalawang nasa loob, inner. FOIL method. That is y prime h. And then, yung dalawang last, yung h times k. So, plus hk. Dito naman, i-distribute natin yung negative 2. So, that will be negative 2x prime minus 2h. And dito, i-distribute natin ang negative 4. Negative 4y prime minus 4k. Copy the constant negative 4 and that is equal to 0. So, i-group natin sila na kung saan pwede nating i-factor out si ano bang pwede? Pwede natin i-factor out si x prime and y prime. So, dito, si x prime and y prime, ano ang degree na to? Diba, ang degree niyan is 2. So, pwede natin siyang panatilihin. Kasi ang degree niya ay 2. Ang kailangan lang nating maalis is yung first degree term. So, next, kung ilalabas natin si x prime, so, i-cancel na natin pa. Ibig sabihin, nakopya na natin siya pababa. So, sino naman ang mayroong x prime na kasama? Yung x prime lang. Una, itong k. And then, cancel natin to. So, sino pa sa kanila yung mayroong lang x prime? So, itong negative 2x. So, itong negative 2x prime. So, k minus 2. Plus, ang gawin naman natin, hanapin naman natin yung may mga kasamang y prime lang. Una, etong y prime h. So, that will be multiplied by h. And then, sino pa? Yung meron lang y prime. So, ito, negative 4y prime. Kaya merong minus 4 dito. Kaya kapag binalik nyo yan, dinistribute nyo, babalik pa din yung y prime h and negative 4y prime. Then, i-copy na siguro natin to. Plus hk. Kasi wala naman na yung mga x prime, y prime. Minus 2h, minus 4k, and minus 4 is equal to 0. So, pinapahanap sa atin ulit to which the origin must be translated, and that is the origin hk. Kailangan malaman natin ano si h and k. And sa ating bagong equation, so this will be our new equation, kailangan maalis natin yung first degree term, and sila lang yung mayroong single variable y prime and x prime. And nasaan ba yun? So, ito yun. Single variable x prime na may coefficient k minus 2. And then, single variable y prime na may coefficient h minus 4. Siyempre, para mag-cancel yan, kailangan yung coefficient ni x prime, which is k minus 2, ay maging 0. And then, yung y prime natin, kailangan maging 0 din naman yung h minus 4. So, solving for k, that will be 2. And solving for h, that will be 4. And rewriting that into coordinate form, that is hk, or 4, 2. That is letter C. Number 30. A line is perpendicular to the y-axis and that has a slope of. So, ano ba ang slope? The slope is equal to the rise. So, kung ilang beses siya aakyat, divided by the run. Kung ilan naman siya pag-move horizontally. So, kung ilang beses yung vertical movement, kung ilang units, over kung ilang units naman yung horizontal movement. So, ano ba ang itsura ng line? So, this is the y-axis, this is the x-axis, and that is the Cartesian plane, diba? So, sabi dyan, the given line is perpendicular to the y-axis. So, if this is the y-axis and the given line is perpendicular, meaning the line is horizontal. So, ang line natin ay purong horizontal lang ang ginagawa, and there is no vertical movement na ginagawa yung line. Meaning, there is no vertical unit na nabubuo sa ating line, and meron naman siyang run, or dahil horizontal line siya. Pero alam natin that any number na mayroong numerator na 0, that is equal to 0. And kapag nagbaliktad naman, kapag siguro naging ganito na siya, vertical naman sa x-axis ang ating line, so meron siyang rise, di ba? Purong rise naman ang ginagawa niya. Pero wala siyang horizontal movement na ginagawa. And this is undefined. So our answer sa problem number 13 is letter C, 0. Number 14. So when two lines are perpendicular, the slope of one is, so syempre meron tayong involved na two lines dito. Para na sabihin natin para kay line number 1 and line number 2. Syempre si line number 1 meron yung slope number 1. And si line number 2 ay merong slope number 2. So if line 1 is perpendicular, so ito yung symbol ng perpendicular, kay line, merong relation yung slope nila. And that is, slope number 1 is equal to the negative 1 over m. That is negative reciprocal of the other. Letter C, equal to the negative reciprocal of the other.